How to see list of subscribed channels on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to have a look at all the channels that you have subscribed on YouTube? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official homepage. At the bottom, you will see Subscriptions tab. Click on it. At the top, you will see your subscribed channels displayed in a slider format. Below that, you will see all the latest content from your subscribed channels. To view the complete list of channels that you have subscribed, tap All. Now you will be able to scroll through the entire list of channels that you have subscribed on YouTube. From here, you can easily decide which channels you would like to continue subscribing or which channel to unsubscribe from. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to find all the list of channels that you have subscribed on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.